Amazon Bedrock is AWS answer to AI trends. It gives you access to the top language models in a way that is scalable, secure, and enterprise-ready. You've probably heard of OpenAI, Claude, or Mistral. With Bedrock, you don't have to choose just one. You can use multiple models, all behind a single AWS managed API. No API keys, no tokens drama, just AWS handling the boring stuff. You send a prompt, get a response, that's it. No need to fine-tune models yourself. But if you want to, you can upload your data to S3 and let AWS customize the model for you. No GPUs required. What makes Bedrock different is control. All your data stays inside AWS. No external API calls, no privacy risk. And it integrates with IAM, VPC, and logging, so you know exactly who is using what and how. Now, let's talk about AgentCore. AgentCore helps you build AI agents that can actually do things, like call an API, run a Lambda function, or talk to your backend. Each agent can have tools, i.e. functions, memory, goals, and access rules. You define what actions it can take. It's like turning ChatGPT into a junior dev, except it doesn't ask qualification or stock options. You can give it a knowledge base, let it fetch from your internal docs. You can chain multiple agents to work together securely within your AWS account. It's not just about making it smarter, it's about making it usable in real software, in workflows, in apps that people actually use and companies can trust. If you are building a chatbot for customer support, or a tool that writes code, or anything AI-powered, Bedrock and AgentCore give you the tools to keep it in your control. Add vector search from S3, model monitoring from SageMaker, and function calling from Lambda. Now you've got a full AI stack all within your AWS infrastructure. Building Gen AI apps in 2025 is about trust, security, and scale. And Bedrock plus AgentCore is how AWS brings all three. Coming up next, we will show you how to actually use Bedrock and AgentCore in your app, with code, Lambda hooks, and agent flows that don't cost your soul. Unless you forget to stop the inference endpoint, then it's your soul and your AWS bill. Hit subscribe or don't, but if your chatbot leaks customer data, don't say I didn't warn you.